Okay, this is our photo op for this year's Vacation Bible School at Beachpoint. The theme is a great adventure, and the photo op is a warm air balloon. It's about 7 feet diameter, the balloon part, and it does go up and down by about 6 or 7 feet. And so we have the basket structure, which the kids can sit in for a photo or go up and down for a video. We have the balloon part for visual effect. And then we have an A-frame. It's basically a teeter-totter, and there's a counterweight on the back. And that could be adjusted to whatever weight needs to be. I was just up in it myself a few minutes ago, so it's good for it's good till I've tested it up until my weight, and but it's adjustable, and we have an extra supply of bricks down here to make it even more adjustable. The ropes on the upper part actually help to stabilize the balloon when it gets a little bit windy, like right now. They're not absolutely needed, but they do help hold it in place to reduce the risk of damage. And this was a interesting project. It was a little time consuming, but still fun to build. And if anybody has any questions or wants technical information about it, let me know. Thanks, and welcome to the great adventure.